Hi dear students, how are you? Fine, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is continuation of previous two lectures. That were what is ideology, which is this lecture has already been uploaded, and secondly, topic was what is the importance and significance of ideology in international relations and global system. This lecture was also uploaded, and today's topic is what are basic and essential features and characteristics of ideology in the world politics. This is third lecture on topic ideology in international relations. What are basic essential features of an ideology in national and global politics? There are some certain apparatus of an ideology which are collectively called as the futures or contents, which are collectively called as the futures or content of an ideology. These mutually combined futures constitute an ideology. Ideologies become effective or effectual when it organizes all the individuals in the form of group within the state and states in global system. Number one, common religion. This is most important since the development of state itself. That is common religion. The most fundamental feature of an ideology is common religion. Since the inception of a state, the effects of religion produce similar way of thinking and code of common conduct which binds or cements the nation together. The traditions and the social behavior of all individuals become same due to the teachings of same religion or faith. Thus, religion constitutes a collection of certain thoughts which later appears in the form of an ideology. The common religion or faith is foundation of a powerful society and state. The religion of Christianity made most powerful empires in the world in the past and at present. The religion of Islam also established powerful empires in Asia, Africa and Southern Europe which confronted the Christianity. The history is replete with the clash of both religion and ideology or civilizations. The Christian peoples of the world adopted the religion of Islam around the world. The collaboration of Christians and Jews subdued the Islamic world. They also fought communism in the world during Cold War. The collaboration of Christians and Jews are ruling the world on the basis of ideology. This collaboration is also trying to defeat communism in China. The religion sometimes forms a cooperative stand against other religion or ideology. The Christians and Muslims collectively formed groups to defeat the ideology of communism during the Cold War. Currently, the ideology of Islam is helping Christianity and collaborating it. Number two, common tradition and culture. The second important feature of an ideology is the common culture and traditions. It is the way of passing life in which such a balanced life is adopted, which makes the life of people harmonious and peaceful in a state. It helps to establish tranquility and harmony in the collective life of society. The way of life of the people belonging to common culture or geographical environment has some special values. Common religion also establishes the way of cultural life and common traditions in any state of the world. There is great importance of ideology in practical life because it imparts common thinking and traditions to the people, hence unity is established among them. Thus, a common culture is developed in the society due to particular characteristic of the society, and ideology produces self-consciousness and prudence or circumspection, caution among people. Due to this, they become fully aware, conscious, cognizant about basic objectives of the society. They take right decisions and select right representatives for their system of government. Thus, common traditions and cultural values become the part of lives of the people. Then these remain potent in the form of an ideology. Number 3, common causes and sufferings in the past history. The common causes and sufferings in the past are also taken as important feature of an ideology. The people belonging to same region or geographical environment constitute common social and strategic causes for the solution of their problems. They form common causes or stand within the state or against any enemy state. The people of same religion, region and culture form identical interest in global system. They adopt common attitude against their enemy whatsoever powerful. Common causes had established great empires and also defeated mighty empires. The history of world is replete with enormous examples. The states enjoy internal support on common ideological cause. They lament on the event of failure and commemorate the event of victory. They remember common sufferings perpetrated by enemy and pledge to avenge it in the future. Number 4, sincere dedication and pledges. The pledges and common aspiration is also essential for success of ideology. Only when all the people accept it wholeheartedly, the ideology is firmly established. The Europeans were highly dedicated to their common aspirations that they occupied entire world. The American ideology defeated the Europeans and got independence from European clutches. The Muslims and the Hindus of South Asia were highly dedicated to their common aspirations that they forced the British to leave the South Asia after a prolonged struggle of more than a century. The people of Africa and South America also adopted this policy and defeated their occupiers. The people of China adopted the path of sincerity and within few decades became economic power to be reckoned with USA, United States of America and entire Europe. The Japanese showed sincerity and dedication and re-emerged from ashes to economic hub in the world. There are other examples, but lecture will be large. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and others. Thank you. See you in next lecture. Wish you good luck.